Now it's Tyson's turn now. See, he tries all sorts. He does. Which is not exactly what I want him to do. Tyson, right spin. Good boy. See, I've been reading a couple of test down. Good boy. I've been reading a couple of like papers things that a couple of people have sent us, and watching some videos on YouTube. I'm going to do one here. And it basically says that to get them used to it, which I did do yesterday, and they know exactly what it means now. For no apparent reason, you just click a treat, and that's it. And then you start adding stuff to it, which is worked like spot on. Over. Head down. I mean, he knows quite a bit already, but I wanted to start doing even more. But yeah, he knows what he means now. You gonna show him how you do some tricks? You can't eat down. Right. No jumping. Me. Right way. Good boy. Right way. Good boy. He needs a bit more of a cue than TJ does, because he hasn't been here for as long as TJ has. I'll work with TJ first to sort of get myself on with it and that, but Tyson's took to it quite well. Tyson, come here. Come here. Right spin. Left spin. He actually knows the left spin better than he does the right spin. Where TJ knows the right spin better than he does the left spin. Left spin. Nice. Yeah. Left spin. Good boy. He's still a work in progress, but he's getting there. Come here. He's so food oriented, this dog, I'm not joking, it's like ridiculous. Come here, guys. Come here. No, that's down. Stand up. Sit. Yeah. Thanks, left way. Left way. Good boy. Thanks. Doesn't touch you now. Thanks, touch. Good boy. No, I don't want to fall. Thanks, touch. 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 You dropped it. Now, both of them are doing so well. I might have to put a couple more videos up on sort of jigging it around with it a little bit. Guys. But other than that, people say, now I didn't believe it is like 24 hours ago. You know, I mean the dogs. I already taught the dog stuff without one, but I think the stuff that they're doing now, I wouldn't have been able to do without this. I just wouldn't have been able to do it. So thank you to those people that got me onto it. Tyson, get out of the bag. The people that got me onto it, and I've read a lot of things into it. And why have you got noodle on your ear? But yeah, I now have a tired dog. I mean, he's not even that tired after a walk, and all he's been doing is some spins. It's amazing, isn't it, sir? Yeah. Mum kiss. Thank you. No, well, I'm going to do some more videos of the other tricks that they already know, but I've associated the clicker with it now as well, and I'm going to be working with them for most of the day on stuff, because I've got a lot of free time. So I'll post some more videos later.